reminder, since it's been so long since we've been in school, of how to do Sasha. So this is my sister. She's gonna help me. I've not taught her the dance ahead of time. And just so you know, when you ask your family members to do this with you, that you can teach it to them really quick, okay? So we're gonna go through the steps first, and then we'll show you the first little bit with music, okay? So remember, you start with your right hand, and each person's using their right hand. So you're going across your bodies. You're not using the same hands. That's wrong. Across your bodies. So we go right, 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 left, 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 both, 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 then knees, knees, knees. Again, right, 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 left, 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 both, 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 knees, knees, knees. Then you do the right elbow. Remember, no one's allowed to get hurt. La, 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 la. Hey, and then you switch elbows to the other elbow. La, 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 la. Hey, and then you go find a new partner from your family. And if you have an uneven number of people in your family, you can use your favorite stuffed animal or your pet to go with you, okay? So we're gonna demonstrate with the music real quick, and then it will switch to just the music for you to dance with your family, okay? Alrighty. Here we go. Sasha, Sasha, cross, trotty. Right, 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 left, 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 both, 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 down, down, down. Right, 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 left, 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 both, 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 down, elbow. La, 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 la. Hey, other elbow. Are you singing your la-las? La, la, la. Hey, and then you find a new partner, okay? The music's gonna start again. You can go with your family. Have fun.